You can easily change the colors of curves and surfaces in uMake using the color wheel. To change the color of curves, simply tap on the selected brush. For surfaces, first select the surface, and then tap the color icon here. This will open up the color wheel. By default, the color wheel will open up in the color palette mode, providing you a simple-to-use color palette. Spin the color wheel to change the color using your finger or stylus. Swipe up or down to change the shade of the colors. Tapping on a color will change the color of selected objects. Tapping the checkered part in the top will allow you to modify the opacity of a surface. Now tap the star just below the color wheel to open up more advanced options. On the right, you will see a plus sign. Tapping this will save your color to the Favorites palette. On the left, you will find an icon with sliders. This will open up the Advanced Color Mixer, where you can create custom colors. Try the color wheel for yourself, along with the Advanced Color Mixer and Favorites palette.